Today I'm going to be showing you how I normally make my fish at home the Turkish way. We're gonna be needing some salt, some lemon, some fresh fish, and also some garlic and some cumin. And I'm gonna be starting by grinding or blending the garlic. This is actually to make the mixture that so that we can marinate, okay, everything. After that, we're gonna keep it for a few hours or minutes depending on how you want it. I'm gonna go ahead and also take or put some olive oil in a pan or on a pan. My English is not good. And then once it has like the heat as like it has gotten heated, we're gonna be dipping in the fresh fish gently and actually just making sure that you are not burning yourself. Okay, so this is one way of making my fish in turkey. Now on the salad, we're gonna be needing some coriander or dania in Kiswahili, some onions. These are the two ingredients that we're gonna be using now. Meanwhile, you can see the fish is already golden and it is well cooked inside. And I'm gonna just go ahead and turn the other side. Okay, make sure that it is actually well cooked, without actually cooking for people some I don't know, some uncooked fish. So once it has done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side and actually dip in the other fish. Okay, meanwhile, while the other fish is being cooked, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and actually prepare the salad. For today, we are going to be using only two ingredients or maybe three. Now for this salad, the onions, the reason why I'm putting water and then doing like this is actually to separate them and also actually to make it more sweet or more delicious. So what I'm done is, when I'm done, I'm actually going to add some lemon inside, and also I'm gonna add some little salt, and I'm gonna go ahead and actually add in the, what do we call them, the green coriander. Coriander in Turkish, I don't know what is the name, but in my Kenyan language we call it dania. So this is a very simple salad that we normally use, especially when we are actually preparing or when we are eating some fish. It is one of the best and also one of the simplest without actually adding more ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt, and we are not using oil on this salad, but we are going to be using some more of lemon. The lemon will actually make everything so delicious and also so sweet. Once I'm done, I'm gonna add in this sweet pepper, which are so good, and it's gonna just make everything or the salad so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna spray on top, not too much, just a few of them. And for today, And as usual, when we are done with the with the dinner or with the fish, or we're gonna be using some fruits. And today we are going to be using some melon. And as you can see, voila, our food is ready, our fish is ready, very delicious. And we are going to be eating using, or we are going, my English is not good. We are eating fish together with some Turkish bread. In Turkey, we call the bread ekmek. In Turkish, fish is balik. And what else? The watermelon you have seen in Turkish, it is actually kupuz. 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 What else am I forgetting to mention? Yeah, so that is it. For today, we are going to be eating with this bread and also with the melon, like I've said. So guys, if you're enjoying my content, you want to see me share more Turkish food, Turkish cuisines, let me know in the comment section. And also do me one favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and while I'm enjoying my food, I'll see you next. But before I go, something else I have to add is I'm gonna be showing you something else that I'm gonna be preparing. Last but not least is actually to make some Turkish coffee. And I normally love to drink some Turkish coffee once I'm done with my meals. I just love it. Okay, so guys, that is it for today. Until next time again, I'll see you. If you like my content, do me one favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next in my next video. Bye.